Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Amardeep. So if we talk about renovation is a very exciting topic. Everyone wants to do renovation on their own. They love doing the refurbishment of their homes. So if I told you that the renovations you are planning, your dream renovations can be done without any money spent on them, would you believe that?
Oh my god!
No problem. I'm here to prove you that, and I'll tell you the steps how to get that renovated without spending any money on that. So to start off, let's first discuss what the zero money I'm talking about. See, zero money is the smart planning you have to do before you start off any kind of renovation. It is the strategic financing, what you are doing, how you're spending your money, and where exactly you need to spend your money. These are the two most important components of those zero money. So now let's come to the topic. First point, access what you already have. See, you need to check आपके पास है क्या, अभी existing में क्या है. When you are doing the renovation, it must be existing home. आपके पास doors हैं, आपके पास windows हैं. When you can use those doors and windows, you can improve the quality of that. Polishing हो जाती है, epoxy painting हो जाती है, PU paints हो जाते हैं, and those old doors and windows look beautiful. तो करना क्या है कि to start off, before the dismantling, you have to get those doors and windows removed very safely, pack them up and store them somewhere where they don't get any kind of hurt. So जब आप उसको करोगे, आप सेम डोर्स विंडोज को जब आप फर्निश करोगे तो नए में आप यूज कर सकते हो. आपके सेम साइजेस, आपको यू नो द साइजेस ऑफ योर डोर्स एंड विंडोज, यू कैन हैव दोस सेम साइजेस इन द रेनोवेशन एंड यू कैन यूज देम. उसके बाद आता है फर्नीचर. फर्नीचर में क्या है? फर्नीचर इज you can do the polishing of the furniture, you can do the color change, you can change the fabrics of it, and the furniture can be used as it is. Then comes the flooring. Flooring is a bit tricky part. उसमें क्या है कि if you have the wooden floor or you have the vinyl floor, that can be done again if you remove them safely, and you can again install them wherever you want. You can change the location of that as well. लेकिन जब आप टाइल की बात करते हो तो टाइल में यू हैव टू बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक एंड बड़े ही ध्यान से आपको उसकी डिस्मेंटलिंग करनी पड़ती है, विच टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड मनी एज वेल. सो फ्लोरिंग, टाइल फ्लोरिंग, I won't say that it cannot be used, but it is a difficult task to do. Next is leftovers. आपने पहले कुछ किया होगा, आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स के बीच में कुछ सामान बचा होगा, कहीं पे भी there are lot of leftovers. कहीं डोर बच जाता है, कहीं विंडो बच जाती है, कहीं कुछ हल्का फुल्का एरर हो गया. सो लॉट ऑफ मटेरियल्स गेट स्टेज विद यू. सो यू कैन यूज दोज मटेरियल्स इन योर रेनोवेशन, which will be, there will be no cost of it additional. Second one is sell your unused items completely. That is the direct funding of your renovation. Unused items आपके पड़े रहते हैं, you are not using them, you have extra cupboards which are good in shape but you are not using them. So sell them off, get some money, and you can use that money into renovations. So third one is financial options. 0% interest credit card को आप use करो. You can use that for your renovation expenses. जहाँ पे ज़रूरत पड़ रही है, it is not costing you extra, but make sure it doesn't burden you. ये ना हो कि आप अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट से ज़्यादा एक्सपेंस कर दो और उसके बाद you are facing the EMI issues of credit card. And renovations loans are also available. You can take the loans. They are very nominal interest loans. You can take the loans for the renovation and you can renovate your places. Fourth one is collaborate with the contractors. See, अगर आप contractor से collaborate कर रहे हो, if you are giving them good references, if you are getting them one or two work more done, so बहुत तगड़े discounts मिलते हैं. You get good discounts, you get good quality of work also. So they will be preferring you, taking a step to get the work done for them. So fifth one is recycle or reuse. जैसे हमने पहले पॉइंट में बात करी कि you have to check the material what you have. So you have to reuse that as well, which is not costing you anything. You just have to paint it or clean it. Just use it as it is. And that will give you the new look, and that will not the transformation done will not be clearly visible that it is an old thing used. So these are the proven strategies to do the renovation work. If you are resourceful, if you are creative, if you are strategic in your approach, you can use these points and you don't have to spend any money from your pocket, and you will be very budget friendly and you will achieve your transformation. Your dream home will be there. Any other queries you have, please drop the comments. We'll reach out to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.